Hi everyone, welcome back. Super excited for today's video, and if you're new, we are Standout Digital, a group of digital natives, and we're here on YouTube to provide free training to help people live their best life with digital marketing. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any video from us. Now let's get started. Today's video is all about creating the perfect social media post for your business using Canva. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through two amazing parts. The first part is all about the golden rules you must keep in mind when designing your social media posts. And the second one is Canva walkthrough. I'm going to introduce you to an amazing feature and how to use it to design your perfect post. Now about Canva, first of all, it's a great tool. I love all the templates, all the elements that it's available to use. And second, Canva has a free plan, so you can just get on it and create your account and test out the platform. And also, when I searched up this topic about social media post design, most of them came out using Photoshop. And I know how Photoshop can be very complicated for a lot of people. That's why I decided to do this video today to introduce you to Canva. Now let's get started. Alright guys, now let's start with some golden rule you need to keep in mind when designing the perfect social media post. Number one, always start by setting a specific goal for your design. Ask yourself, are you designing this to introduce a new product, or this will be a value image to put out relevant information to attract your prospect, or this image will be used to announce a sale or any other event for your business. It's very important you set a specific goal straight from the start, because our next golden rule is not to cram too much text on your image. Now, for instance, you're designing an image to introduce your product, but then you suddenly remember that your company is running an ongoing sales. Now you would like to put in more text to talk about the sales, to try people toward this sales event. So now, instead of just putting relevant information about the product, you now putting more blocks of paragraph to talk about the sales, which can be highly ineffective and can actually make your image far less attractive. So customer might now just scroll through your image instead of looking at it properly. So don't do that. Don't cram your image. Number three, if you are a newbie, I highly encourage you to do research and learn. Research on the market in other page, research your competitor, and find out what type of post, what type of design is currently receiving the most engagement, the most reaction and comment from your customer. And also, always look out for the market trends in designing and seek out inspiration continuously to improve your designing. Number four is actually one of my favorites. It's all about the power of color. Let me give you some example. For instance, the color green represents wealth, and it also can bring a relaxation feelings. Or the color pink has always represent a more feminine touch and a more cheerful vibe, and the color black has always speak powerful and bold. So remember to intelligently incorporate the power of color in your design, but also don't forget to use your company color and logo consistently so that your customer can start to associate these color with your brand. This is a very powerful branding technique. Number five, remember to use the appropriate size to emphasize your message intelligently. So for instance, what is your main CTA, call to action? What is your main message that you would like people to pay attention to? Remember to use a bigger size, a bolder font, a bolder color for it. And next, what is your sub-message? What is your subheading? Use a smaller size and place it strategically so that your design will be more effective. So number six, one of the very important rules that I see a lot of people forgetting about is the optimized size of your post. So for instance, when you're posting on Facebook versus Instagram, the posts on these two platforms can have very different size depending on the type of post you want to make. Be sure to check out the post size before editing to make sure that when posting, your post will appear fully, it won't get cut or nothing is shifting around and everything is displacing as you wish. The last golden rule I have for you is, of course, don't forget to be creative. Even though if you don't think you're a creative person, don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through Canva later with hundreds of templates that can help you spark your creativity. But wait, before we go through Canva, I have a surprise for you. Standout Design and Social Media teams has come up with two special tips just exclusively for our Standouter, and here are they. Number one, a 5 to 6 second GIF post work marvelous. We have found that G posts are not only effective in the comment section but also in the post. So be sure to check that out, see if that's gonna work for your business as well. And number 2, try to incorporate more of real image, a product or service into your post. People respond to real image of product and people more, so be sure to take more picture of your product, of your teams, and get it out there to increase the engagement. Alright guys, now let's start with the part we all have been waiting for, Canva walkthrough. I'm going to show you how to use Canva and easily design the perfect post for your social media. But before we hop into this, I just want to put out there a quick disclaimer. So this video is not sponsored by Canva. And if you want to purchase Canva pay plan, you're gonna have to get on the platform and test it out if it's the perfect tool for your business. That being said, Canva also offer an amazing free plan, so you can always use that, create your account in minutes and just check the platform out. Now let's get started with this. Now let's say I run a pizza restaurant and I have an Instagram account for the restaurant. Now I'm gonna using Canva to create an Instagram post for my restaurant. So you can always start here by typing out the type of post you want to create. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in Instagram post. And as you can see here, the layout will be perfect. As I say, the optimized layout of your post is very important. Never get it wrong. And with Canva, you can just get it right instantly. When you select, a lot of templates will pop out so that you can check them out, get some inspiration, and choose which one is best for you. Let me just scroll through here a bit. Alright, so maybe I'm going to use this one. Now I'm going to use this post to introduce a new type of pizza. Now let me search image for pizza because I obviously don't run a pizza business, but if it's your own business, you have the picture of your own product or service, you definitely should have used it. That would be 100% better. Just want to make it 100% clear, guys. Now next, let me just choose a really nice pizza image. Let's just say I want to go with this. Just simply drag it here. And also another thing is for this photo section, they offer a lot of free stock image. As you can see, the picture I just choose is free, so you can feel free to explore it, see if anything you can use. But again, the real image of your product and service or of your team will work 100% better than stock image. Now let's just say that I'm gonna name this pizza Lovely Friday, because that's the signature style of my restaurant. I name my pizza strain name like this. So this new pizza is gonna be named Lovely Friday, and it's gonna be introduced in, just gonna put it coming soon, July 2021, and that's it. Everything is beautifully put. And here I'm gonna new pizza, and here I'm gonna put you will love this, because everyone loves pizza, right? And I'm actually already hungry just by looking at this picture. Now, as you can see here, the layout is not the best thing. It's just kind of crooked, so I'm gonna easily do this and change this. If I don't like the stick to be here, I can just change that. I can just delete it. Also, for this a little curve effect, I'm going to show you, it's right here. So you just click in the text and go to effect, and it's right here, curve, and you can adjust it how curved you want it to be right here. This is very useful. Again, as you can see, I'm feeling like the white color is not really that emphasis on this pizza image. So I'm going to change it. So first, I'm going to go to effect. Here, let's explore the effect panel a bit. So there's a lot of effect here that we can use everything. And again, these effects is accessible on the free plan, guys. So you actually don't have to use the paid plan to get the effect, which is another amazing thing about Canva. Now, I really like this glowing effect. So now I'm gonna put my business color, which is maybe green to it. Maybe my company color is green. We are healthy pizza chains. So I'm just gonna choose green because, as I mentioned earlier, green is more about the feeling of wealth and relaxation. So yep, I'm gonna use green here. And here you can put your business website as the the layout is already there, or if you don't want, you can always delete and be more creative, put in something else, putting maybe some shape. Shape is very trendy right now, and you can do that by go to element. I love the element panel of Canva. It has actually everything, and everything is designed in such a modern type of way, so you can actually explore it and just go to it. Let me see if I search pizza, what will come up. And we don't want photo because we already have a color right here. So let's just go to graphic. Oh, we have some very funny graphic right here. So let's just try to put in something with this pizza box. That looks cute. Put it right here. Or let's just keep explored. Or another thing, shape is very trending. Shape is very trending, so we can always search that and see if Canva have anything good for us. This looks great. This looks very trending, as if, as for instance, I research a competitor page and I see that they use this type of element in their post and it's received such as like or engagement. So I'm going to use it right here as well. And if you want to delete an element, you can always press delete on your keyboard or press here. So that's okay. Let me check. So now I still don't feel like these words is popping up, so let's try to change their color. So you can add your brand color here for a paid blend, or if you don't have, you can always insert your brand color right here with the code. It's always helpful to have those. Now let's just say that we want to put a shape here so that the word will be more emphasis, will be more focused. Let's say I'm going to put this here. I'm going to change the color to lighter. Another good thing about Canva is most of their element, their graphic, you can change the color to your preference. So that is always amazing. Another cool feature about Standout is the spacing that you must exploit. I use the spacing a lot. So you can use letter spacing, as you can see what is do here, or line spacing. So the best tip I actually can give you when you're exploring Canva is just to go exploring all the tools, test them out, see how they do. Or maybe if you're doing this design and then you kind of have another idea in your head, you can always press here to duplicate the page. So now you have two of the design, and now you can test the second one with another type of shape right here. That's it. And then if you feel like there's still something missing, just keep going, exploring the element, the graphic. They usually have a lot of amazing little things, little elements that you can add in to improve your design. Let's see if I can find anything here. Maybe I want to let her just kind of hold this lovely Friday words. So let me see if I can change anything. So maybe I can change her dress to the company color. Maybe if my company have more than just this green, I'm gonna put in like other green. And also this change. Oh, unfortunately this you can change. If you cannot change color of an element like this, you can always use this to try to change it. Use the adjust and use the filter. Try to change it. See if it's work. As you can see here with the retro filter, I already can change it to a little more green, which is great. And there you have it, a little post for to announce my new pizza is coming soon. So again, I know not the best looking post because I literally just spent minutes on here and just trying to walk you guys through all the tools. But if you spend more time on it, if you explore the tools, I promise that within no time, your post will be 100% better. It will look more professional, more appealing, and you're gonna start receiving those engagement for your social media posts. So that's all I have for this video, guys. Do you have any questions? I've been using Canva What other tools can you give to our amazing community? I would love to see your comment below. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry experts, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.